So welcome back. This is part 6 of the 7 principles of influence from Robert Cialdini's book. So principle number 6 is the principle of social proof. And what social proof is, quite simply, is that we have a tendency to do what other people are doing and look around to see in social situations what others are doing and have a natural tendency to follow along, just to be in this group kind of mentality. So this particularly works where we are uncertain of what needs to be done. And we can then, in those situations, subconsciously take cues from other people. Amazon is very good at doing social proof and trying to get us to buy more products. You'll often see, if you add something to your cart when you're shopping at Amazon, below that they will typically give you customers who bought this also bought something else. And it's that something else that they're trying to get you to buy, feeding into this principle of social proof, meaning if you see that others have done it, you might be more likely to buy it because of that, particularly those two items paired together. So Amazon is very smart, and they try and get you to do that based on social proof. Now, according to Cialdini, only 5% of people tend to be true innovators. The other 95% of people are imitators. So this is a very useful influence technique that you could use, social proof, and get people to do something by showing examples of other people doing the same thing. So if it's a product you're trying to sell at work, if it's an idea, if it is something you're trying to get people to buy into, talk about how many other people, other companies, other groups are doing the same thing or using some of those same tools. People, when they see that, they are going to be more likely to agree with the idea you propose as well, based on the principle of social proof. So thanks for watching this again, and bye-bye.